Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I'm Felicia, your host for this video. It's about 5 o'clock here in Houston, and I wanted to jump on to give you an updated tour of what I've done to our living room for the holiday season. When I say update, I've changed a few things around, and I'll tell you what I've done. Let's start over here with the tree. Let me tell you about the changes. So first off, over in the tree area, I had the polar bear here where my nutcracker is. So I've moved the nutcracker here and I've put the polar bear here in my entryway. And since we're over here on the entryway, I moved that wall art out of my kitchen, the snowman wall art. It's out of the kitchen to here in my entryway. And by the way, this wall art lights up. It has a little switch on the side. You flip it on, flip it off. This wall art is actually from Burlington. And my bear is from Lowe's. I've had it for a few years, maybe about 4 or 5 years. Now back over to the tree. The nutcracker is from Home Goods. They came in white, silver, red, and gold, and also black. Next year, if the good Lord says the same, if I see it in gold, I'm going to grab it up for my home office. Now that's a whole nother story. I'll talk about that in another video. And I adorned my little nutcracker with some leftover ribbon that I had from my Christmas tree. Now it's getting dark here, so the lighting may be a little bit off, but it's still pretty because you're getting the night, kind of an evening night view of the space, which I think is really, really, really pretty. Okay, just in case I have someone that missed my original living room tour, my tree is a King of Christmas tree, and I think it's the Noble Fir. I will place a link down below to the tree. It may be a tad bit too late to order a tree, but you may be able to get next day delivery if it's possible. So going to the topper, I have a disco ball topper, and that topper is from Hobby Lobby. I have my snowflake ribbon that's from Craftex. Then I have this Southern Import ribbon here, which is also from Craftex. And I have this D. Stevens ribbon, which is from S Home Decor. And what's different about the tree? Now, originally I had some big bows in the tree. I think I had a bow here and I had a bow over here. And I may have even had a bow over here. Well, I've since taken the bows out of the tree and I just drape the ribbon in the tree like so. This is one loop, another loop. Then I have a little fishtail here. And then same thing here, 2 loops. I don't have anything here. It's just an end of a tree. It looks like I forgot to cut a diagonal or a fishtail and a fishtail. I just didn't do anything to that one. And then over here I have 3 loops and a fishtail end. So that's all that I did additionally, changing the tree itself. Now remember, I had some big disco balls down here. And if you're not familiar with a disco ball, this is a disco ball here. I had some great big ones down here. So I removed those and I added these particular lights here. And these lights are supposed to be lit. These are not lights. These ornaments here are supposed to be lit up. Let me see if I have them plugged up. I didn't have them plugged up. So yes, these light up. I've had these for a couple of years. These also came from the S Home Decor. And these are some Southern Import items. Now, they are probably available from Southern Imports, but I bought them from S Home Decor, and that S Home Decor is closed down. Now, underneath the tree, I have a mirrored tree skirt. You probably can't see it from here, but there's a mirrored tree collar under there, and that came from At Home. Other than that, no other changes aside from the deer. The white deer, I had them on my outdoor patio. I pulled this one in here And I didn't have the standing one outside because I didn't want to take a chance of the wind knocking him down. So I pulled the standing one out of my attic. I wanted to get some use of some more of my holiday decor. So pulled him out of the attic and pulled him in the living room. So that's it with the tree. The wall art is from Pier 1. And these are indoor-outdoor drapes. Now, if you recall, I had some gray velvet drapes here, and I wanted to lighten up the space just a tad bit more. So I put those drapes up there. I didn't know how they were going to look, especially since they're outdoor drapes. Did lighten up the space a tad bit. So, painted on around the gift boxes. This is a DIY. I actually made these. I did a video on how I made them. I have some acrylic sheets from Amazon, and I used some glass glue from Amazon. And yes, and I just adorned it with some ribbon, and I have a brooch just sitting on top of the ribbon. I have a gift box here, and then I also have one under my tree. So that little skinny deer back there is from At Home. My fireplace is from Wayfair. It's one of those slim Wayfair, slim fireplaces. This garland is actually from Hobby Lobby. These balls are from Macy's. This is probably from Craftex, and my clear balls here is from Craftex. Some more ribbon. My trees are from Home Goods. And my wall art is from Amazon. Sconces from Z Gallery. Candles from Hobby Lobby. Then I have a little disco ball. Ginger jar here. That's from Z Gallery. I have a disco ball lamp that I've had for like 15 years, believe it or not, or so. 10 years maybe. I may be exaggerating. That's from Pier 1. Then I have my little diagonal mirror here that gives me a lot of grief. Sometimes over on Facebook because they want me to turn it the square way, but I like it the diagonal way. Then I have my couch just for rooms to go. By the way, after the holidays, I'm going to be looking for me another couch. I'm probably going to do a whole revamp in this space, give me a different look, because I've been having this look for maybe about 4 or 5 years. My pillows, you can get your hands on these pillows from Amazon. This little pillow here is actually from Michael's. However, I added a piece of my ribbon to the pillow. The rug is actually from Amazon. I'll place a link down below to that. My little wingback chair here is from Wayfair. And here's another pillow that I have here. So panning on around this way, I think I already told you the bears from Lowe's. Entryway table. You can get your hands on that from Walmart. If it's available, I'll place a link down below to that. Then I have these super cute candles here. These came from Kohl's. I don't think they're no longer available. These are some Z Gallery items. And this little disco ball candle holder is from Hobby Lobby. That is a custom-made garland. That's from S Home Decor. Then I have these super cute alpine trees here. These are from Hobby Lobby. And they are super cute. The camera does not do these trees any justice. I love them. So, what have I missed? My chandelier is a ET2 chandelier. I love it. Right now, I have the light off. Let me turn the light on. So, there's it with the light on. I don't think these are no longer available. And then I just put a little swag over my archway. That, this garland is actually, this garland is actually from S Home Decor. I put some string lights in it, and I accidentally found this wreath here from Home Goods, and I just put some string lights around that as well. So that sums up the space. I didn't tell you where I got these little curtain lights from. These curtain lights are from Home Depot. I had them for a couple of years. I love putting those curtain lights in my windows for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this living room holiday refresh, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.